Hello YouTube, Big Spick and Lock. I'm going to try something different today. I've already done this video, I'm going to redo it. I'll give out too much information on it, and thinking of it, I decided to redo it. So what I've got here is a little old English style padlock. It's a 2-lever, and normally I'd use one of Andy Mac's tools, but it's just a little bit too big. If you hear any coughing in the background, it's the wife coughing her ring up. Right, so what I decided to do was make my own little tool on Andy's template. So that's lock open, that's locked, that's the key. This is the bit we're copying, which is on the end. And what's going to happen is I'll put Allen key in there, put some tension on it, finger in there, and that one holds the cover up. I just put it in and turn it 3/4, push the key in, and I can feel the first lever. So I come back, get the lever and lift. Now I've caught both of them there, so that's done me a favour. I can't find my bloody torch. Right, in there there's 2 little levers, and I've pushed both of them up together. And the tension I was doing with the Allen key was putting tension on that. So basically, that's all that's done. There you go. That's an old English style padlock. I won't promote what it was for, and I'll give Andy some credit in the information bit. Later on I shall put these together, not that one, put these together and do a giveaway after I reach my 300. I've got a 300 giveaway to do, but this will be in something else. It won't be a 350, it'll be before that. It's just something extra I'll do later. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please keep subscribing. Don't go away, because I'll hang around, and I'll catch you on the next one.